Hello, welcome back to my channel. So another day. So today I'll show you how I did this on my plate. So I was able to install it without drilling a hole on this side and just put my TRD plate in here and replace to the actual license plate. So instead of buying those tow hook adapter that you can put your license plate, this is an inexpensive way of doing it if you want to go the cheap route on it. So yep, so I'll show you what I have. So I first bought the so I used some toggle bolts. So 1/4 by 6 inches long. So these are overkill with the length. So I think 4 inches will be sufficient. I also grabbed some hex nuts, also 1/4, and some lock washers to go with it. I also have some flat washers in there just to support it at the back in here, so in the back to rest in here. But I'll show you how I did it. Just one moment. Okay, so here's my plate. Here's how I did it. So I got the toggle bolts in here, then I got a flat washer in here, then I got the lock washer in here before the hex nuts. So this one will actually rest on the grill itself. Then I have to push this one in to the other side, the inside part, so that it will lock. Then I can just screw it in from the outside. So it's easy. So I'll show you how I put it. There's a little struggle putting this one out, but it's very easy. So the reason I removed this one also is I'm gonna put some kind of cushion of foam just to avoid scratching the actual plastic bumper. Just put it here and here just to avoid some scratches, because once you tighten the bolts, it may push it into the actual plastic. But come on, I'll show you this one. Let me just put this one and I'll show you how I install it. Okay, so we're gonna put it in here. So I'll put this one first, and I'll push it all the way on the other side till the end. So I just need to force that a bit in there. It's in. Now the second one. There you go. So now for the bolt, for the toggle, have to twist. Have to make sure that they're all the way out there. I just have to put it in place. I don't know if you're gonna able to see this, but from the inside, let me get my phone and let me show you. 7, it's my kid.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, so it needs to be on a vertical position, so it needs to go this way so that it will catch on this grill. So let's try this. I'm just gonna above it, make sure it doesn't turn. So I'm gonna hold it from the back and tighten it and just move it in place in a moment. So I actually test this one out, driving it in the freeway, and it's still in place. So don't really have any issues on it on the freeway. Yep. So in a moment, let me just get some screwdriver to help me push it in place. Okay, so I'm gonna use this screwdriver and just to hold the toggle in place while I turn this one. I have to double check it to make sure it is still on the vertical position. Wait, let me work on the other one. Yep, this one is in place. As of now, it's in place. So let me tighten it. And then we'll double check the toggle. There you go, have to. Yep. That one is in place. So this one is easier. So let's tighten it. There you go, it's in place. So there you have it. It's easy, no drill. Just use those stuff from Lowe's. So I'm here in Washington State and it rains a lot of time in here, and they didn't rust. So let me just double check. So I don't know if these are stainless steel or what, but it doesn't say in the labels or in the packaging. But there's no rust. So there you have it. So I hope you like the video. I hope it helps some people out there that wants to do this simple mod on their car. It will save you a lot of money instead of buying the one that you put here on the toe. so it will save you a lot. But yep, I like it. It's unique. I hope you like this video. Don't forget about the 500 subscriber giveaway. So again, if you subscribe till the end of May, we will proceed with the giveaway with the 500 subscriber. So please subscribe on my channel, share, follow me on IG. Yep, hope you like it. Thank you for watching.